Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to learn how to register the product using React.js forms. In the previous video, we have learned about how to develop the forms in React.js, and in this program, we are going to learn how to register a product information using React.js forms. Right? I quickly open my VS Code. Yeah, so in this first, I am going to define a function with a name called form demo with export default function as return types. So the values of this form demo is going to be exported defaultly. So in the form demo, I am going to define four types of constant variables. First one is product name, product price, shipped to, and in stock, whether the product is in stock or not. And for all these variables, I'm going to define certain methods like set name, set price, set shipped to, and set stock. And for all these values, I'm going to make the use state as default, that is nullify values. The values are going to be provided by the user from the front end. And finally, for the last one, I'm going to take the default value as S. Now, when the user submit all these values and he is going to click the submit button, an event is going to be raised. So for this, I am going to use the event values or event data in React.js. So in this, I am going to use like this. So in the submit click, whenever user is going to click the submit click option, the following values are going to be highlighted. So the values which is provided by the user as name, price, and shipped to and in stock is going to be provided as an output. So this is an example for keyboard event as well as mouse event also. Now, in return function, I am going to write like this. So form on submit is equal to submit click means this function is going to be activated. Now, I am going to make certain stylings like body BC color, and I am going to say make certain texting like React.js forms to register the product like this, and I am going to define the class name as form group. Now, first one is name. So in this name, I am going to change like this. So whenever the user is going to provide the values for the name text box, the values is going to be obtained in the output. So for this, input on change is equal to E, set name is equal to E dot target dot value, and name is equal to product name. And value is equal to product name, and class name is equal to form control, and here this one is text type. So this is the label, or this is the values for the name values. And similarly, the same for the price also. So for the price also, I'm going to define like this only. So label equal to price, and div tag I have opened, input on change is equal to set price of E dot target at value, name is equal to product price, value is equal to product price, and class name equal to form control. For price, set price function is going to be activated. And for name, set name method is going to be activated. Now, what for shipped to? So shipped to, here I am going to take as a less set of values. So for this, I am going to use like this. So here, this is shipped to. Now in this, I am going to use the select option on change is equal to set shipped to, and name is equal to shipped to, as well as class name is equal to form control. Here I am going to provide multiple options like Chennai, Pune, Agra, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Madurai, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Bangalore, etc. etc. So the user is going to select any one of the cities from these options. That is drop down list. Now, after shipped to, I am going to finalize the final value using in stock. So in stock also, I am going to use a checkbox. So all the values which I am going to be provided as in stock only, that's why the values are defaultly set to S. So for this, I am going to use input value is equal to in stock, on change is equal to set stock. That is the set stock function is going to be activated, and type is equal to, here it is checkbox. That is, the user is going to select the checkbox so that the value is going to be obtained. And finally, I am going to define the form class group. And similarly, I'm going to define a button. So BTN primary BTN block, which is a bootstrap code, and I'm going to write or name the button as register. Finally, I'm closing the div tag, and I'm going to close the form tag. Finally, I'm going to define the const root, and I'm going to render the function form demo. Right. Now, I'm going to open my command prompt. Now I'm going to start. Yes, the server is started. Yes, I am going to run a different port number. Now, here you can clearly see that React.js forms to register the product. So let me say my product name is, let me say Renault car. So let me, the price name is 89 lakhs. Let it be. It will be shipped to Tamil Nadu. I am going to select yes, and I am going to make it as registered. Here you can clearly see that name, price, and shipped and in stock is also registered. we are going to check the another output also. Let me say, take my name is Dell laptop, and let me insert the value as 56,000 and let it be shipped to Hyderabad, and I'm going to select yes, and I'm going to make it as registered. And here you can clearly see that Dell laptop price and ship and in stock is also registered. So in this way, we can register the product using React.js forms. Thank you.